Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eno mimbari era bweti era bwefaanana veranda yayo tenakwatibwako tenakolebwako wadde nakatono olw'obusobozi obutono bwe tuyina nga abasiraamu abekanamba. Eno ye paati ey'omu maaso y'amadirisa geego era temuli birawuli, ne veranda side eyo naye tenakolebwako insha Allah. Ali n'ekirala n'okusereka gwaserekebwa bubi nekiba nti tegusobola kuyiwa bulungi amazzi era nga bwemulabye ku paati ey'emabega amazzi gaggayo. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ogwo muzigiti gw'e Kanamba, ekyo ekitundu ba paati ey'emabega bwe gutyo bwe gufaanana. Alhamdulillah, veranda twakolako kitundu nga bwemukiraba ku paati eyo ey'emabega insha Allah. Part of the women, these are the mats. They are old, and another place is has no mats. As I've said, when women come in big numbers, they just pray on a bare floor, inshallah. This is the window in the women's side, and this is the door. The other one is the second door in the side of the women. So they all lack glasses, and as you are seeing, it is not yet completed, the mosque, inshallah, and needs more and more assistance so that we all have completed mosque, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you have seen, the carpets are old and they are not enough. Some of the areas are uncovered, whereby when a Muslim come in big numbers, they just pray on a floor with no carpets, as you are seeing, inshallah. So we are requesting for the help, if God wishes, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is the inner part of Kanamba Mosque, so which is not yet completed, as you are seeing. This is the window, lacking glasses and compression on top, inshallah. So this is the second window. This is the door, and this is the front door. These are the mats, inshallah. They are old, as you are seeing, so we need help, inshallah.